chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the morning, then showers and thunderstorms likely in the late morning and early afternoon. A chance of showers and thunderstorms late Thursday night. South winds around 10 knots, becoming southwest late. Seas around 2 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the evening. A chance of showers after midnight. Friday, northwest winds around 10 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers and thunderstorms late.
Postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device.